In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and schedule a Zoom meeting. We'll cover signing in on the web, starting an instant meeting, and scheduling one for later, all in a clear, easy workflow. First, open Zoom's homepage in your browser. At the top right, click Sign In. On the Sign In page, enter the email address you used when you created your account and your password, then select Sign In. If you prefer single sign-on, you can click the Google icon and pick your Gmail account instead. Give it a few seconds while Zoom logs you in. Tip: if you're signed into multiple Google accounts in your browser, make sure you choose the correct one tied to your Zoom profile. And if your password slips your mind, the Forgot Password link on this page will help you reset it securely. Once you're on your dashboard, you have two paths. To start a meeting right now, click Host at the top right. A new tab may open. If your browser suggests launching the desktop app, look toward the bottom of the page and choose Join from your browser to keep everything online without installing anything. In a moment, your meeting is live. Take a second to check the microphone and camera icons so people can hear and see you. If your audio device isn't the one you expect, use the small arrow next to the mic icon to switch. If you'd rather schedule a meeting for later, return to the homepage and click Schedule. On the scheduling page, give your meeting a clear name so attendees know what it's about. Next, set the date, start time, and duration. Double-check the time zone to avoid confusion for guests in different locations. In the same form, you'll see additional options you can tailor to your needs, such as using a passcode, enabling the waiting room for extra security, choosing whether video starts on for the host and participants, and other preferences. Adjust only what you need right now. You can always refine these settings later. When everything looks good, scroll to the bottom and click Save. That's it. You've scheduled your meeting. You'll see a confirmation page with all the details in one place, including the join information you can share through your usual calendar or messaging tool. With these steps, you can confidently start meetings on the fly or prepare them in advance, all from your browser. Thanks for watching, and now you're ready to create and schedule your next Zoom meeting with ease.